Eating bananas with black spots on them, often referred to as overripe or ripe, can offer several benefits compared to consuming them when they are still green or yellow. Here are some advantages of eating bananas with black spots. 1. Antioxidants. As bananas ripen, the levels of antioxidants, such as dopamine and catechins, increase. These antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress and may have anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Digestion. Overripe bananas are easier to digest than green bananas. The starch in green bananas converts to sugars as they ripen, making them more gentle on the digestive system. They can be particularly beneficial for individuals with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues. 3. Prevents cancer. A special type of substance is formed in the peel of overripe bananas, which is called tumor necrosis factor. It works by preventing the spread of cancer and other abnormal cells from growing. 4. Nutrients. As bananas ripen, they accumulate more essential nutrients, including vitamin C, potassium, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health and supporting various bodily functions. 5. Blood sugar. Ripe bananas have a lower glycemic index compared to green bananas. This means they cause a slower and more gradual increase in blood sugar levels, making them a better option for individuals concerned about blood sugar spikes. 6. Heart health. Ripe bananas are good for heart health too. They're rich in minerals like potassium and magnesium, which assist in controlling blood pressure. Cholesterol is also reduced by eating ripe bananas. It's also useful in reducing the threat of heart conditions. 7. Prebiotics. As bananas ripen, they develop more resistant starch, which acts as a prebiotic. Prebiotics promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a healthy digestive system. 8. Immune system. Ripe bananas contain higher levels of vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for a healthy immune system. It helps the body fight off infections and supports overall immune function. 9. Nutrient absorption. Overripe bananas can also aid in the absorption of nutrients in the digestive tract, potentially increasing the bioavailability of certain vitamins and minerals. While bananas with black spots offer these benefits, it's important to note that individuals with certain medical conditions, such as fructose intolerance or diabetes, should still be mindful of their banana consumption even when they are ripe. As with any dietary changes, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that they align with your specific health needs and goals.